Jump rope, also known as skipping rope, is a simple yet effective exercise tool that offers a wide range of benefits. Here are some of the key benefits of jump rope. Cardiovascular fitness. Jumping rope is a high-intensity aerobic exercise that gets your heart rate up and improves cardiovascular endurance. It effectively increases your heart and lung capacity, improving overall cardiovascular fitness. Full body workout. Jumping rope engages multiple muscle groups, including the legs, arms, shoulders, and core. It helps strengthen and tone muscles in these areas, providing a full body workout. Weight loss. Jumping rope is a calorie-burning exercise that can help you shed unwanted pounds. It's a highly efficient way to burn calories and can contribute to weight loss when combined with a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. Improved coordination and balance. Jumping rope requires coordination between your hands, feet, and eyes. Regular jump rope workouts can enhance your coordination, balance, and agility, benefiting other physical activities and sports. Bone density and strength. Jumping rope is a weight-bearing exercise, which means it puts stress on your bones, helping to improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Mental agility. Jumping rope requires focus, rhythm, and timing. It can help improve mental agility, hand-eye coordination, and overall cognitive function. Portable and affordable. Jump ropes are inexpensive and portable, making them a convenient fitness tool. You can easily carry a jump rope with you and exercise almost anywhere, whether at home, in the gym, or while traveling. Versatility. Jump rope workouts can be adapted to various fitness levels and goals. You can adjust the intensity and duration of your jumps, incorporate different jumping techniques, and even include it in circuit training or HIIT, high-intensity interval training, routines. Stress relief. Engaging in physical activity like jump rope can release endorphins, which are natural mood-boosting hormones. Regular jump rope sessions can help reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance overall mental well-being. Fun and varied. Jumping rope offers a wide range of variations and techniques to keep your workouts interesting and enjoyable. You can try different jump rope styles, such as single jumps, double unders, crossovers, and tricks, adding an element of fun to your fitness routine.